Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to watch a summer internship program. It's from Google. So before going to that video, if you haven't subscribed to Revamp ED YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to Revamp ED YouTube channel. So here the Google Summer of Code, it's the internship name. So it has been offered in more than 109 countries and 15 years, more than 686 open source organizations were been a part of it, and then more than 15,000 students are there. So Google Summer of Code is a global program which is focused on bringing more student developers into open source software development. So student works with an open source organization on a 3-month programming project during the break from school. So here the school is which is whatever institution we are studying, like UG, PG, and then PhD research, whatever maybe. So you have to apply before 31st of March. So here the Indian standard time is 23.330 31st night. Before 11:30 you have to complete it. So you can see that you have to register, and then you have to submit your application to the mentor organization also. So there will be the review of the application, and the selection process will take the time of March 31st to May 4th. So here the university students can spend the timing to write this coding and all. So you can see that you can learn more about open source. So if you would like to get some money in this time where you are just being in home, so you can apply to this Summer Code. So here the Google Summer of Code is open to all the university students who is above 18 or it's 18. So hope you will get a good chance. Thank you.